Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn. Uh, going to continue with the tangents and normals. That is, we are going to continue with the exercise 7.2, the remaining sums. Exercise 7.2. So, what is equation of a tangent? So, we'll recall what is equation of a tangent. So, what is it? Do you remember? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what is x1 comma y1? x1 comma y1 is a point through which the tangent passes. And what is m? M is a slope. M is a slope, and also we can take m as dy by dx or y dash. Okay? Or when a equation of tangent is a straight line. So how will you find slope? Slope is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Okay, so all this you should remember. So what about equation of a normal? Equation of normal is, we know that normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, what is it? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. M is a slope. So, the perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m. So, minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay, so you should remember this. So, now we will do the fifth question. Question number 5. Fifth question. Find the tangent normal to the following curves at the given points on the curve. So first we will do the third subdivision. Y is equal to x sin x at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So x1 comma y1 is pi by 2 comma pi by 2. We have to find y dash. So what is y dash? dy by dx. So we have to differentiate this. Now here it is of the form u by v. So this is u and this is v. So we know the formula. uv the whole dash is equal to uv dash plus u dash v. Okay. So we have this. So what is u? U is equal to x and v is equal to sin x. So what is u dash? 1. And what is v dash? Cos x. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to uv dash. So x into cos x. Okay, x into cos x plus u dash v, 1 into sin x. So we have into sin x. So this is nothing but m. Okay, it is m. So it is also equal to m. So now we will find equation of the tangent first. So equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus pi by 2 is equal to, and m we can also find it at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay. So pi by 2 comma pi by 2 is x1 comma y1. Therefore, at x is equal to pi by 2, we will write that step. At x is equal to pi by 2. At pi by 2, at x is equal to pi by 2. What is m? M is equal to pi by 2 into cos 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. plus sin pi by 2 is 1. So what we get? It is equal to 1. So m is equal to 1. So we get y minus pi by 2 is equal to 1 into x minus pi by 2. Okay. So multiply throughout by pi by 2. What you get? Multiplying throughout by pi by 2 or taking LCM, we can also write this as 2 2y minus pi by 2 is equal to x minus or 2x minus pi. Okay, taking LCM, so by 2 by 2. So 2 gets cancel. So bringing everything to one side, 2x minus 2y minus pi plus pi is equal to 0. So minus pi plus pi will get cancelled. 2x minus 2y is equal to 0. Divide throughout by 2. We get x minus y is equal to 0 is the tangent. Okay. So then we have to find the normal. So equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So m is equal to 1. So what about minus 1 by m? It is equal to minus 1. So therefore what we get? Y minus pi by 2 is equal to minus 1 into x minus pi by 2. So same way, taking LCM, we get 2y minus pi by 2 is equal to minus 2x minus pi by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So we get, bringing everything to one side, minus 2x we have. So bring this side, 2x plus 2y minus pi plus minus of minus plus pi. So when you come this side, it becomes minus pi. So minus pi is equal to 0. So it is 2x plus 2y minus 2 pi is equal to 0. So divide throughout by 2, we get x plus y minus pi equal to 0 is the normal. Okay. So similarly, we have to do the fourth subdivision. So 1 and 2 you can do it for homework. Okay. So what is fourth one? X is equal to cos t and y is equal to 2 sin square t and t is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so first we have to find dy by dx. So what is dy by dx here? It is given, x and y are given in the parametric form in terms of t. So dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is it? What is dy by dt? 2 sin square t. So 2 into sin square t we have to differentiate. We have seen already. So it is of the form x square. So differentiation of x square is 2x. So 2 sin t into sin t differentiation is cos t. Okay. By what about dx by dt? Minus sin t. So we get finally sin t will get cancelled. So you get minus 4 cos t. So this is m. Okay. But where t is given as pi by 3. So t is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 means it is 60 degree. So minus cos 4 cos pi by 3. So minus 4 by cos pi by 3 is 60. So 1 by 2. So 4 by 2 which is equal to minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2 and minus 1 by m is equal to minus 1 by minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So therefore equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, I have already told you that you can also take it as y minus b is equal to m into x minus a. Okay, like that also you can take. So now what is this? Y minus, what is y1? So y1 is y, what is y? 2 sine square t. So y1 is 2 sine square pi by 3. So it is equal to 2 into sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, the whole square, which is equal to 2 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. And what about x1? Similarly. So x1 is equal to cos pi by 3. Okay. X is cos t. So cos pi by 3, which is equal to cos 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. So what is y1 now? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to m. What is m? Minus 2 into x minus 1 by 2. Okay. x1 is 1 by 2. So now again taking LCM, 2y minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2 into 2x minus 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So we get 2y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x plus 2. Bring everything to one side. 4x plus 2y minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the tangent. So now we have to find the normal. So what about the normal? So equation of normal is y minus y1 minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. So again taking LCM, 2y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 by 2. So we get this 1 2 will get cancelled. So cross multiplying 2 into 2y minus 3. So 4y minus 6 is equal to 2x minus 1. Left hand side take to the other side. 2x minus 4y plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives us 2x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 is the normal. Okay, there is another way of doing also. In that way also, if you want, you can do it. Okay, because a normal is perpendicular to the tangent. You can write the perpendicular form of the equation, and then you can find the value for k. Likewise. Okay. Now question number 6. Sixth question. Find the equations of the tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 plus x cube, for which the tangent is orthogonal with the line x plus 12y is equal to 12. Okay. So now this line you bring it to the form y is equal to mx plus c. So this comparing with y equal to mx plus c you have to compare. So what is it? 12y is equal to minus x plus 12. So y is equal to minus 1 by 12x plus 12. So comparing with that, so what is m? So therefore m is equal to minus 1 by 12. Okay. So what is m from this? So m is equal to 12. So now y is equal to 1 plus x cube is the curve. So what we will do? Differentiate this. So differentiating, what you get? Dy by dx is equal to 0 plus 3x square. So this is also what? M. So m is equal to 3x square. So therefore, so this is 1 and this is, you take it as 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So given the curve is orthogonal, so this is minus 1 by m. Okay, minus 1 by m is minus 1 by 12. So m is equal to 12 because what is given? The tangent is orthogonal with the line. Orthogonal means perpendicular. Okay, so we get like this. So from 1 and 2 we get 3x square is equal to 12. So dividing, x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. So when x is equal to 2, what is y? What is y when x is equal to 2? Y, what is the formula? 1 plus x cube. So y is equal to 1 plus 8, which is equal to 9. Therefore, what is the point? 2 comma 9. Then when x is equal to minus 2, what about y? Y is equal to 1 minus 8, which is equal to minus 7. Because minus 2 cube is minus 8. So therefore, what is the point? Minus 2 comma minus 7 is the point. Now it is asked to find equation of the tangents. So equation of tangent at first point 2 comma 9 is, what is it? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So substitute, y minus 9 is equal to m is 12. So 12 into x minus 2. So we get 12x minus 24 minus y plus 9 is equal to 0, which gives us 12x minus y. So 9 means minus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the tangent. So now what about the normal? Normal equation of, tangent only is asked. So equation of tangent at another point. So what is the other point? Tangent at minus 2 comma minus 7. So same way you have to do it. Okay, here only tangents are asked, not normals. So using the same way, you can find the equation of the tangent. So can you complete this, children? Yes, you have to complete it. Okay, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so you have to write this step. I am leaving this step. So I am leaving this step and I am writing only the final answer. Okay, 2 steps I have left. So final answer is 12x minus y plus 17 is equal to 0. Substitute and simplify and find the answer. Okay, so is the tangent. You have to do it, complete it. Okay, now coming to question number 8. 8th question. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve given by x is equal to 7 cos t and y is equal to. Okay, I think this question you can take it for homework, 8th question. Okay, it's very simple. We have to find only dy by dx. Okay, so what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is 2 cos t, dx by dt is minus 7 sin t. So this is the point. Value for x and y is the point. Okay, so x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1 is equal to 7 cos t comma 2 sin t. This is x1 comma y1 and this is the slope. Okay, that is m. So using it, you can do it for homework. So 8th question, do it for homework. So now we will go to the next topic, that is angle between two curves. Angle between two curves. Angle between two curves. So this is a subtopic. Okay, angle between two curves. So angle between two curves is nothing but if they intersect as an acute angle between the tangent lines to those two curves at the point of intersection. That is, angle between two curves is the angle between the tangents at the point of intersection. Okay, so that is if you have a curve like this, two curves you have, say. Okay, you have two curves like this. Okay, if you have two curves, then tangents can be drawn to these curves. So one tangent like this and another tangent like this, and the tangent intersect at this point. Okay, the tangents. So the tangent to this curve intersect at this point. The tangent intersect at the point of intersection of the curves. So the angle between the two curves is the angle between the tangents. So this angle gives us the angle between the tangents. So that gives us the angle between the two curves. Okay. So angle between two curves is the angle between the tangents at the point of intersection. Okay. So if y is equal to m1x plus c1 and y is equal to m2x plus c2 are two lines, say, then if theta is the angle between the tangents, then tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is the formula to find angle between the tangents. Okay, so this is a formula. So m1 and m2 are nothing but the slopes of the two curves. m1 and m2 are the slopes of the two curves. So tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So we will see the remark now. Remark first one. If m1 is equal to m2, then the curves are parallel. Curves are parallel. Okay. So when the two m1 is equal to m2, then the two curves are parallel. Then second one, if the two curves are perpendicular, okay, So m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Then the curves are perpendicular. Okay, so these 2 points you should remember. So this I hope you have also studied in 10th standard. So based on this, we will do the example 7.15 we will do, because 1.4 is simple, you can take it for homework. Okay, 1.5 we will do it now. So what is it? Example 7.15. So what is given? Find the angle between the two curves. Y is equal to x square and x is equal to y square at the point of intersection 0, 0 and 1, 1. So 1, 1 and 0, 0 are the point of intersection. So now y is equal to x square. So you find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2x. So this you take it as m1. Then x is equal to y square. So differentiating 1 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. Okay. So what is this? This is m2. Where m1 and m2 are the slopes. So here it is asked to find the angle between the curves at the point of two point of intersections are given. So diagram is given in your book. You can go through. That is nothing but two parabolas. Okay, diagram. See here. You studied in analytical geometry. Y equal to x square. So it is nothing but x square is equal to y. X square is equal to y means it is open upward. So this is the curve, x square is equal to y. Then y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x is the curve which is open rightward. So this is the curve, y square is equal to x. Clear? So now here this is the point of intersection. This is also point of intersection. So this is 0, 0 and this is 1, 1. So we can draw tangents here as well as here also we can draw tangents. Okay, tangents can be drawn here as well as here. So to this curve we can draw like this. We can draw like this for this curve, and for this curve we can draw like this. Okay, so this is the point of intersection. So we will find now the angle. So let theta 1 and theta 2 be the angles. Let theta 1 and theta 2 be the angles. So what about tan theta 1? Theta 1 is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Modulus. So we have to substitute now. Okay, so tan theta 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 by 2y by 1 plus 2x into 1 by 2y. Modulus of. So, here what is given now? Limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. So, 0 comma 0 is the point of intersection. So, here taking LCM 4xy minus 1 by, here also taking LCM 2x plus 2y. Okay, denominator will be 2y, so that will get cancel. So substituting the values, what we get? 0 comma 0 when you substitute 2x this is 2x. Okay, x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. When you substitute, we get the denominator as 0. Okay, minus 1 by 0 we will get is equal to 1 by 0, which is equal to infinity. So theta 1. So tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 is equal to infinity. So which implies theta 1 is equal to pi by 2. So what about tan theta 2? So at 1 comma 1. At 1 comma 1, what about m1? m1 is equal to 2 and m2 is equal to 1 by 2. So what about tan theta 2? Tan theta 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 modulus of. So it is equal to 4 minus 1 by here 2 will get cancelled. So 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1. 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So we get only 2. Okay, here see, we cannot cancel the denominator. Therefore we get here 4 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 is 2. So which is equal to modulus of 3 by 4. So theta 2 is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, we'll continue with the other problems in the next class, students. Thank you.